Right. They seem happy.
I enjoy working with my family. They're extremely important.
You can just carry it.
Oh, okay. So that's what you want
Yes,
to do?
sir.
You have to have internal combustion for agriculture. It's 24/7. This is called the Last Chance Ranch, and it got that name from my great-grandfather who got involved with this ranch in late 1800s. The well driller, in his infinite wisdom, indicated that, you know, if we just drill right over there, we'll probably hit water. And Grandpa said, well, we better, because if we don't hit water in this one, this is our last chance, because I'm running out of money. Luckily, they did hit water, and the rest is history. There's a water trough up there. The cattle should be around it. We ought to be able to drive them around a little bit. What we've decided to do is to improve the land we've got so that it is able to produce more than what it has in the past. This would really be a nice day if we had about 10 miles an hour left wind. And in effect, it allows you to increase your stocking rate without negatively affecting the land or the crops such as grass that grow on it.
That's what we treated on last year, right? Or 2 years ago?
We went all the way past the high line, and boy, you can really see it over there. It knocked a dauber in the dirt.
The Sibley Ranch has been part of years and years of restoration, grassland restoration projects. The biggest one being, you know, battling brush encroachment.
Oh, you got really good grass growth coming up. About 3 on in Grama.
2 storage tanks on
Out in West Texas, there's a lot of brush encroachment coming into our grasslands, and the Sibley Ranch has been one of those cooperators we've been working with in trying to restore grasslands by attacking brush.
Wait right here and let me go to the water trough. When I get up there, I'll holler at you. You turn that on and see if the water comes out.
Okay. One of the major factors that influence grasslands or any kind of vegetation is water. As the drought conditions continue to intensify, we're trying to work hand in hand with ranchers and be able to work with them in rotating cattle around and promote healthy grasslands.
In the desert, water is king. And if you don't have water, you're not going to have a ranch. The fact of the matter is we've been in business on this ranch for 125 years. We've got family come along behind us. It seems like they are interested in the land. We're going to do everything we can to be able to pass it on to the next generation.